Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.